Dear students, welcome to Blackboard.
Prove that sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A equal to 1. So, the LHS is sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. Here sec A we can change as 1 by cos A. Here also sec A we can change as 1 by cos A. Tan A we can change as sin A by cos A. So we get that is equal to 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A into 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Here we can multiply, we get that is equal to 1 minus sin A by cos A. Here the denominator is same, so we can write the numerator together, we get that is equal to 1 plus sin A by cos A. Now you see the numerators, it is 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. It is of the form A minus B into A plus B, that is equal to A square minus B square. So we get the numerator 1 square minus sin square A, that is 1 minus sin square A. And the denominator is cos A into cos A, that is cos square A. Now we know 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. So we get that is equal to cos square A by cos square A. We get that is equal to 1. So we have got LHS equal to RHS. Prove that cot A minus cos A whole divided by cot A plus cos A equal to cosec A minus 1 by cosec A plus 1. Consider the LHS. Cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A. Here we are going to change the cot A as cos A by sin A. So we get that is equal to cos A by sin A minus cos A whole divided by cos A by sin A plus cos A. Now you see the numerator, there you can see cos A is common, let us take outside. Similarly, in the denominator also, cos A is common, we can take it outside. If we are taking cos A outside from this term, there is remaining 1 by sin A. If we are taking cos A from here, there is remaining 1. So we get cos A into 1 by sin A minus 1 whole divided by cos A into 1 by sin A plus 1. Now this cos A and cos A we can cancel, we get that is equal to 1 by sin A minus 1 whole divided by 1 by sin A plus 1. We know 1 by sin A is equal to cosec A. So we get that is equal to cosec A minus 1 whole divided by cosec A plus 1. That is our RHS. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 whole divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta using the identity sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Here the LHS is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 whole divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Here we need to use the identity sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So dividing throughout by cos theta, we get sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta whole divided by sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. So we get that is equal to tan theta minus 1 plus sec theta whole divided by tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. That is equal to tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 whole divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now we are going to use the identity 1 equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. We are going to change the 1 in the position of denominator. So this one we are going to replace as sec square theta minus tan square theta. So we get that is equal to tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 whole divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus sec square theta minus tan square theta. This is of the form a square minus b square that we can factorize as a plus b into a minus b. So we get that is equal to tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 whole divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Now you see the common term we need to take outside, but here it is tan theta minus sec theta and here it is sec theta minus tan theta. So this value also we need to make tan theta minus sec theta. To make this sec theta minus tan theta into tan theta minus sec theta, let us change the middle sign. Now it is plus, let us make it minus. So we can write that is equal to tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 whole divided by tan theta minus sec theta minus sec theta plus tan theta into tan theta minus sec theta. Now you can see here tan theta minus sec theta, here also tan theta minus sec theta, we can take it outside. If we are taking tan theta minus sec theta from here, there is remaining 1. If we are taking tan theta minus sec theta from here, there is remaining minus sec theta plus tan theta. So we get that is equal to tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 whole divided by tan theta minus sec theta into 1 minus of sec theta plus tan theta. Now let us remove this bracket. We get that is equal to tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 whole divided by tan theta minus sec theta into 1 minus sec theta minus tan theta. Now we need to cancel the common term from numerator and denominator. Here you just see the denominator tan theta is positive, but in the numerator it is negative. Here sec theta is positive, in the denominator sec theta also negative. Here 1 is negative, but in the denominator it is positive. So let us take the negative from the numerator. We will get the reverse sign for all the terms. So I am taking the negative 1 from the numerator. We get minus 1 into, then this plus tan theta will become minus tan theta. Plus sec theta will become minus sec theta. Minus 1 will become plus 1 whole divided by tan theta minus sec theta into 1 minus sec theta minus tan theta. Now you can see there is common term in numerator and denominator. This is plus 1, here also plus 1. This is minus sec theta, here also minus sec theta. This is minus tan theta, here also minus tan theta. So these two terms we can cancel. There is remaining minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta. Now let us change that minus 1 by changing the order of the terms in the denominator. So we get that is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. That is our RHS.
Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.